Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog, and today I'm gonna go get my new car. So I'm at the dealership and I'm just waiting to do the paperwork and then all that. I'm just waiting for the guy, and pretty much that's it. But honestly, it's a lot of BS when getting a new car. Honestly, just buy a freaking used car, guys. Look at my fit. So I'm wearing this black Columbia shirt and then these mom jeans with my Michael Kors. So we're just waiting here on the desk. Hey guys! Oh shoot, the guy's coming. Put that shit down. Thank you. Guys, big news! I got a car. I'm gonna show you how it looks real quick. Hopefully the camera does not
go park
fall.
over there. Oh, okay.
Real quick, we're gonna go park over here so I can show you guys the new whip or whatever.
Me duele mi mano bien culera.
Bien culera? Why do you say that?
Ahí como que duele mucho. I think you're Gucci.
I have a brand new car. I'm very excited. I barely got it right now. It's 6:30 de la noche, so it's already dark. But I don't know if you guys want to see the tutorial, like me showing you my car right now, or like tomorrow morning. You know what, I'm just gonna show you right now. So I have the new baddie car. I got the 2022 Trailblazer RS. Sorry, I've been thinking it's R5, but it's not. The I'm gonna go from the outside first. Okay, so this is how it looks from the outside. And then this is how it looks throughout the night. But he looked like that though. And then the back looks like that. This is the radio and all that. All the buttons right here are for heating and air and AC. I got Sonic, and then look at the red leathering. It's so nice, you guys. This is a little cajoncito. I don't know how to put it up. Oh, okay. And it's red. It looks so freaking nice. Look at the red, bro. It looks so nice. And then the red leather, I fell in love with that, you guys. It's so nice. Okay, now the back seat looks like this. It is spacious. As you can tell, I was driving because look at the resemblance. I was like all the way up. This is my back, and then this is how it looks. And then it's very spacious. Look at all the lights. Nice. Like, I love how it's like blacked out, like black on black, everything. I love how it just is like black on black, and then the inside it's like red leathering. But look, guys, I'm so excited I did that. It's literally so freaking cold outside. I had to get in the freaking car because it's so freaking cold. So proud of myself that I'm able to afford this. I'm very thankful to God. And this is one of my goals for 2022, and I just achieved it. So hopefully I'm able to achieve another goal very soon, like in 2 weeks. So if not, if I'm able to achieve it, I will share with you guys that. But yeah, red ass nose.
Yep.
And then we have that, the maps and all that, the music right here. and then just to go back, and then that's the one I'm listening to right now. And yeah, it's an RS, so it has sports mode. It's like right here, sports mode. The red leathering, it's literally so pretty. And I love this, how it's like the plastic, and then this is like red leathering. I love that. I'm gonna go clean that up because it looks so dirty, but look